It seems like my electric shower is not working. It's on now, but it's not working. This is the light. Light is working. So it's on. Let's see. The shower is on now. No, it's not working. So for any electrical work, make sure you switch off the electricity from the main and have one of those testers. This is what I had to buy. I took some pictures of the damaged one, so I'm just going to replicate everything again and see how it goes. So I managed to change that because he overheated and burnt the cable, so I had to redo everything again. It's turning on now. Yeah, the light is on, the new light, and it's working. Job done. Please do not try this at home without a certified electrician. Thank you for watching.